Diversity means to me our beliefs, our backgrounds, our experience of life, everything that makes who we are.
Over 40 years of Daikin history, we have people from different countries, different languages work together as a family member, and we're really proud of that.
What they can do to support diversity is hiring people from different countries, from different backgrounds, different ages, different gender. I'm from Brazil, and we have team members from Australia, Iran, Turkey. It's a diverse team, yes, quite diverse.
Diversity in my team means a lot. It matters because it creates more creativity, better problem solving, and better innovation.
We have over 150 direct staff engaged in production here, 50 supporting manufacturing professionals.
I'm participating in the RED program, which is the Regional Engineering Development. It's involved taking facilities around the world, different people from different countries. We are able to propose solutions to the business for the region.
What I like about coming to work each day, it keeps me busy, it trains my brain cells. I actually love what I'm doing. Everyone respects each other, everyone works like a family, and just the vibes that everyone brings around. You feel like you're a part of something.
In our factory, we have 200 workers, and they are from 20 different countries and cultural backgrounds, and they are speaking 30 different languages. And we are very proud of this.
Daikin.